Okay, this next problem, number 24, is one that requires us to pull from our skills from semester 1. So what I want to do is go through and find x squared, the negative 2x. You're going to put those together. And we're going to leave it blank. So we're actually going to complete the square here. Plus, and now I'm going to put my y's together. Y squared plus 44 blank equals, and I'm going to move that 44 over to the other side. So this is how you want to start out. Now we're going to add a little something to either side. So let me put this here. We're going to fill in these blanks such that we have a perfect square trinomial. So what you're going to do is take this number, b, and divide it by 2. So in this one I want x, and negative 2 divided by 2 is minus 1 squared. Plus, over here, oops, this was supposed to say 4y. I'll take my 4, divide that by 2, and I'll have y. 4 divided by 2 is 2, plus 2 squared. Equals, and we'll figure out what that equals in 1 second. What we're doing here is, if I have x minus 1 times by x minus 1, I end up with x squared minus 1x minus 1x plus 1. So I have x squared minus 2x plus 1. And I forced this to become a perfect square trinomial, x squared minus 2x plus 1. So I guess I'm adding plus 1 here. The shortcut for how to get that number is to take b divided by 2 and square it. That will go here. So in this case, if I have 4 divided by 2, I have 2, and square that, I'm going to add 4. You could just double check that by taking your y plus 2 and multiplying it by itself. When I do that, I get y squared plus 2y plus 2y plus 4, which is y squared plus 4y plus 4. Exactly what I had there. Now, because I added 1 and 4 to the left side of the equation, I also need to add 1 and 4 to the right side of the equation. So in the end, I have 44 plus 1 is 45, plus 4 is 49. This is the equation of the circle. And just a little reminder about circles, they follow the formula x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared, where your center is at h comma k, so just the positive numbers of those are opposite, and my radius is r, not r squared, but r. So here I would have a center at 1, negative 2, and I would have a radius of the square root of 49, or 7.